Let's talk about Hangul. Hangul is the Korean alphabet, and it's one of the most familiar and important elements in our daily lives. Recognized worldwide for its originality, learning more about it can be quite interesting. First, let me tell you a bit about the background of Hangul's creation. Hangul was created in 1443 during the reign of King Sejong of the Joseon dynasty. At that time, people were using Chinese characters, which were very complicated and difficult to learn. So King Sejong decided to create an alphabet that anyone could easily read and write. That's the initial background of Hangul. Now let's talk about the features of Hangul in 5 points. Number 1. Hangul is very scientific. It's made up of combinations of consonants and vowels, and the shapes of the letters mimic the shapes of the sounds they represent. This makes it easy to learn. Consonants are based on the shape of the vocal organs, and vowels are inspired by the sky, earth, and human figures. Number 2. The sounds and letters of Korean match almost perfectly. This means that learners of Korean can pronounce words exactly as they are written. Unlike English, where pronunciation and spelling can be quite different, Hangul is straightforward and easy to learn. Number 3. Consonants and vowels come together to form a single letter. For example, the letter K is a combination of Q and A. This combinatory method allows for the easy representation of various sounds. Number 4. Each Hangul letter represents a single syllable. This makes reading and writing very convenient. In other languages, multiple letters might form a syllable, but in Hangul, one letter equals one syllable, making it intuitive. Number 5. Hangul is unique and simple compared to many other languages. It follows set rules but can express a wide range of sounds, which adds to its charm. To sum up, from the historical background of Hangul to its scientific principles, alignment of sounds and letters, combinatory method, syllable-based structure, and its originality and simplicity, Hangul is uniquely valuable and scientific. Hangul is easy to learn and convenient to use, and you can learn it too.